How to delete Instagram call history. Deleting Instagram call history is quick and simple. Follow all the steps till the end. Without much ado, let's get started. First, launch Instagram app on the device. Ensure to log in or sign in to your particular account. Tap chat icon at top right corner of the screen. On the chat section, open any chat which Instagram call history you want to delete. Here are some of the call history. To delete it, tap and hold the particular call history and select delete for you button. If you wish to delete every call history, check mark the small box next to it. Now tap delete for you. To confirm, tap delete for you and all your Instagram call history has been deleted as once, but it has been deleted for you only. Unfortunately, there is no such option to delete for everyone. I hope this video worked. If this video was helpful, if it was, then do like, share, comment on this video. Subscribe to our channel and press the notification bell for more tech and tips. Thank you for watching.